The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Union County in upstate South Carolina, Chester County in upstate South Carolina, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Civil authorities has issued a statewide emergency for the entire state of Florida. The meppa virus has infected the entire southern part of Florida, and the infected is attacking others. To protect yourself, grab a sharp object or a firearm to protect yourself from the infected. This message is requested by civil authorities and the Viewpoint Test government. Please take this seriously, for evacuation zones has been in place for Miami and areas around it. The evacuation zones has been named and has different military forces. The first evacuation zone has the National Guard evacuating. The second evacuation zone has a combined force of the Viewpoint Test Army and Viewpoint 10 soldiers. The third evacuation zone has the Viewpoint Test Marines. The last evacuation zone has the Greater Miami Empire's zombie outbreak response teams. Head towards the evacuation zones to get checked of infection and escape.
Come on, get on the aircraft. We need to go.
What the hell, the evacuation taking so long?
There's hundreds of civilians.
What the hell do you mean?
Evacuation zone for what do you mean?
We have minimal to no civilians. This is evacuation zone. We are being overrun. Send.
The World Health Organization has issued an update statement for the United States and the surrounding areas. The new virus is spreading at an alarming rate and has taken complete control of Florida. The virus has been named LCX665. If this virus continues to spread, this virus will be considered a global pandemic. Wash your hands for more than 20 seconds, wear a mask, and a curfew will be in place.
LCX665 has been officially declared a global pandemic.